Do you think you know where you live? Do you realize you have neighbors who live in houses right in front of your eyes? Best you get to know what lessons they've been showing you throughout your journey. Welcome to Astrology 101. This is your neighborhood, and this is where you live, literally. And these are the 12 houses around your circle. You need to meet your real everyday neighbors whose houses you visit every day above in the sky. But first know that each house has an owner with very strict rules. The first house is owned by Aries the ram. Aries lives in this house and flies this flag. There are two secret things about this house you need to know during your visit, which can be found in the flag. First, you can see the symbol of fire. This house will always make you think of fire or feel fiery. And the second thing the flag shows is a cardinal cross, meaning that this house is about leadership. Next, we will talk about three important specific people who live in each house. The ruler, the one who's in charge of the house. In this case, it's Mars. The empowered, or second in command, which is the Sun. And third, the weak one, who tries to stay away. For this house, it's Saturn. One last thing, the moon watches over this house, so it's called a lunar house. Continuing our walk around the neighborhood, meet Taurus, the mother bull, who owns the second house. Taurus lives in this house and flies this flag, which contains these two secrets. The first symbol of Earth, asking you to be connected with nature. And the second thing the flag shows is a fixed cross, meaning that this house is about rooted builders. A tree with strong roots laughs at storms. Three important specific entities in this house are: the moon is the ruler, or in charge of this house. The empowered, or second in command, which is Venus. And there is no weak one in this house. This is also a lunar house. Again, the moon watches over this house.